Hello all, I am Mugai Prashant Lakshmikant from Rajasthan Vidyalaya Latur. I worked in Rajasthan Vidyalaya from the last 25 years as an English teacher, and now we have started a innovative project, that is RESET, regular educational support for each and every teacher. All the teachers from these three schools, we are going to mingle with each other. We are going to learn the basic skills of English language. In the first some primary periods, we have explained them that any language is a skill-based language, that is LSRW. How to acquire the knowledge, the receptive skills, which are the receptive skills and which are the productive skills, how the language is spoken. We are going to see the basics of language and teaching English as a language in the classroom, not as a subject in the classroom. Our main focus is on the fluency of the teacher as well as of the students. After all, the students are going to benefit of all these training programs. So we are going to tell the teachers that they have to come forward and speak in English. They have to create ample of opportunities for the learners to listen English. Until and unless they are going to listen something, they are not going to speak anything. So we are going to provide ample of opportunities here to listen English as well as to speak in English, and after that we are going to develop their reading skill as well as writing skills also. So I am especially going to thank to all the Sanstha members that they have think regarding to that one and provide us an opportunity to interact with the teachers, and with the help of the teachers' responses, definitely we are going to make a change. Again, thank you once again, all of you. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kavita Dande. I am from Sri Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Vidyalaya. I am working there since 1993. Actually, Bajpai sir told us that there should be a training program that teachers should work as a facilitator to the students. And so this started. We are going to take 2 months workshop training for teachers, and the teachers are going to be going to learn about all the skills LSRW, how learners learn, how teachers teach, what are the importance of language games. Then there will be many projects, there will be a group work. We are dealing with micro teaching, demonstration lessons and all that, because so that our teachers become confident about teaching to the students, and as well as their continuing professional development will also be there. So these workshops will be for on Saturdays. The time period mentioned for this workshop is for 3 hours. It is from 11 to 2, but actually it takes 3 because we are going doing some group work and all that. And because of that, I think that the teachers will get benefited, so that they can speak English fluently, they can learn English, and they can implement all these skills in their classrooms with the children. Thank you very much for giving us such opportunity. Thank you.
नमस्कार. सर्वप्रथम मी संस्थेचे खरं तर आभार मानणार आहे. राजस्थान शिक्षण संस्था अंतर्गत चालू असणारे हे आमचं सर्व प्राथमिक शिक्षकांचं जे रिसेट नावाअंतर्गत इंग्रजी विषयाच्या ज्ञानात वृद्धिंगत करण्यासाठी हा जो प्रोग्राम चालू केला आहे हा खरंच उपयुक्त आहे. इथले जे काही आमचे कलिग्स आहेत, आमचे मित्र आहेत, हे सगळेजण संपूर्ण तासभर इंग्रजी आणि इंग्रजीमध्येच बोलतात. मध्ये काही वेळेला फक्त मराठीचा उपयोग केला जातो. त्यामुळे आम्हाला समजतं अशातला समजत नाही अशातला भाग नाही, आम्हाला पूर्णतः समजतं. आणि याच्यामुळं आमच्यातली सुद्धा या 2-3 तासामधली सुद्धा आमची इच्छाशक्ती जी आहे ती वाढत चाललेली आहे. आणि मी निश्चितच आज आपणासमोर ग्वाही देईन की यानंतरचा नेक्स्ट रिव्ह्यू हा माझा इंग्रजीमधनंच असेल. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Hello everyone and good afternoon. I am Sayyid Sabiha Sultana Shafiuddin from Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Pathshala, Latur, and I am telling you about the RESET training. Now this training cracks the barriers of all teachers for speaking English. I am thankful to Sanstha Honorable Vajpayee sir that they will be give us an opportunity to speak English and change something. So I am happy for this reset training. Thanks to all.
नमस्कार, मी प्रवीण पारी, पुरणमल लाहोटी पाठशाळा. प्रशिक्षण देणारे शिक्षकांचे व शिक्षकांचे मी सर्वप्रथम खूप आभारी आहे, कारण त्यांच्यामुळं अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीनं इंग्रजी शिकण्याची संधी मिळते. मनोरंजनाद्वारे मुलांना आपण कसं इंग्रजी अक्षरांचं ज्ञान देऊ शकतो, त्याच्यामध्ये स्वर आणि व्यंजने यांचे त्यांना ज्ञान देऊन त्यांना ते आत्मसात करण्यासाठी मदत करू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे ही जी काही ट्रेनिंग आहे अजून 2-3 महिने जर चालली तर आम्ही वर्गामध्ये अध्यापन करत असताना त्याचा आम्ही निश्चितच खूप चांगला उपयोग करू शकतो.
Hello everyone, I am Mahadevi Gangadhar Matpati. I am from Sri Godavari Devi Lahoti Kanya Pathshala Latur. I want to tell about our training. Regular educational support for each and every teacher. Because of this training, we ignite our knowledge and how can we apply our knowledge in classroom, that is for students. Because of that training, we apply our knowledge in classroom for primary students, listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. Definitely we use English in our classroom. Thank you.